Hello, my name is Tina. This is the best way to cut a cake. First, cut vertically in the middle. Second, cut across horizontally. Lastly, continue by dividing each quadrant into equal pieces. And voila! Enjoy your cake! If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Make sure to watch this video on how to make a spiral balloon tower with 3 colors without stand and no helium. You will be glad that you did.